Introducing Cyclone Rapid Recovery Insurance, the parametric cyclone insurance provided by NatCatPro. The cyclone season is looming, and every year Bill and Ben have noted that the storms seem to be getting just that little bit worse. Meet Bill. He is pretty laid back and tends to take things as they come. Now he sees the cyclone coming, he wishes that he had heeded the advice of his friend Ben. Meet Ben. He is exactly the opposite of Bill, and likes to get all things done and dusted way in advance of possible eventualities. Now, with the cyclone season at their door, Ben has purchased his parametric cyclone insurance already and is ready for whatever may come to pass. He knows that even if the cyclone is bigger than ever before, he has flexible, affordable coverage to provide him with readily available emergency cash within days of the event to do whatever he needs to get done, even without proof to a loss adjuster. Be that to cover emergency supplies, home repairs, or lost wages. Bill, on the other hand, has failed to get himself coverage and is now running around trying to get funding and help. Poor Bill, he really is not having a good day. Enough about Bill and Ben. Here's how it works. The Cyclone Rapid Recovery Insurance is a windstorm insurance with a predetermined agreed loss payment upon the occurrence of a triggering event. An event is when a storm track intersects with the defined circle around your property. The circle is the insured location. An eligible event is when the storm intersecting with the circle has a certain storm category as outlined in the event coverage table. Relevant storm category for the policy is: use the highest value of A, the last measurement point before the track intersects the insured location; B, any measurement point within the insured location; C, the first measurement point after the track has left the insured location on the best, latest available data 3 days after the storm has left the circle. The higher the storm category, and the closer the storm comes to the insured property or business, the higher the loss payment will be. There are 3 standardized products to choose from. 1. CRRI single cover. 2. CRRI double cover. 3. CRRI triple cover. Each of them with individual event coverage tables per circle. Note that if there are multiple circles, as for the double and triple cover, each circle intersection and the associated payout is assessed independently, and payouts per circle are added up. The total payout is limited at 100% of the policy limit in any case. Once a Cyclone Rapid Recovery Insurance policy is purchased, Celsius Pro tracks the windstorm reported by the Bureau of Meteorology during the policy period. Celsius Pro will calculate the relevant storm category 3 days after the storm has left the circle, as the data is subject to change. If eligible for a payout, the policyholder will receive a text message or email requesting loss affirmation. A quick acknowledgement of the loss, either via text message, email, or the local broker, and the eligible loss payment is wired to your account. So what does this mean in practice? Your client purchases a Cyclone Rapid Recovery Insurance, either with a 1, 2, or 3 circle radius. When the storm hits the circle, we will review the policy against the event coverage table, which is the table stating the agreed loss amount per storm category and circle. Say your client has purchased the Cyclone Rapid Recovery Insurance single cover with a 60-kilometer radius. We will track the storm to see whether it passes through the insured location. If it does, and the relevant storm category is a Category 4, then your client will receive a 40% payout of the policy limit. If, however, your client had purchased the triple cover and the same hurricane intersects the 60-kilometer circle as Category 4 and the 90-kilometer as a Category 4, then the client would receive a total of 60% payout, 40% for the 60-kilometer radius, and a 20% payout for the 90 kilometers. Simply put, the more comprehensive the coverage, the more likely a payout. All your client needs to do is the following. 1. Contact their local broker. 2. Decide what cover to buy, the single, double, or triple cover. 3. purchase a Cyclone Rapid Recovery Insurance. 4. Make sure they pay the premium before the inception of the policy period for the policy to be effective. Back to Bill and Ben. When it comes to cyclones, we suggest to follow Ben's approach rather than that of his friend Bill, because when the cyclone hits, it really is a case of better safe than sorry.